Have you ever felt like life is tossing you from side to side? Like you're a ship in a stormy sea, unsure of which direction to go? If so, you're not alone. Change often comes unexpectedly, and sometimes it's hard to accept. But let me tell you something. Every change is not the end. It's the beginning. Today, we'll talk about how to embrace the winds of change and use their power to become stronger and wiser. Stay with us, because in this video, I'll share tested strategies that will help you not only face any changes in life, but also come out a winner. These are truths that samurai knew hundreds of years ago, and they are still relevant today. Ready to accept the challenge main section. Change is a constant part of our lives. Sometimes it comes softly, like a gentle breeze shifting the direction of our thoughts. But sometimes it's like a hurricane, turning everything upside down, making us feel like we're losing control. But what if I told you that change is not your enemy? It's your ally, if you're ready to face it with the right mindset. Let's start with an important example. Imagine you're a samurai on the battlefield. Suddenly, the wind changes direction. This wind could throw you off course, weaken you. But what does a wise warrior do? He understands that he can't stop the wind, but he can change his direction, adapt to the forces, and use them to his advantage. The same applies in life. Instead of fighting against change, you can learn to harness its power. Change as an opportunity for growth. You've probably heard the story of the butterfly. When it's in a cocoon, it must struggle to break free. It's that struggle that gives it the strength to fly. Without that challenge, the butterfly would remain weak, unable to soar. This is the essence of change. It may seem difficult, even frightening, but it's through change that we grow and become stronger. Every time life challenges you, know that it's your opportunity to become better. The samurai philosophy of embracing Sea Samurai understood that life is a constant flow of changes. They knew that each day could bring a new battle, a new challenge, and so they sought to cultivate flexibility of mind and spirit. In the samurai code, known as Bushido, it's said that the true warrior is not the one who resists the world, but the one who moves with it. You must be like water, able to adapt to the shape of any situation. Take an example from nature. Branches of trees that break under the force of the wind are the ones that are too rigid. But soft, flexible branches do not break. They bend and survive. You must be flexible in the face of change. Instead of closing yourself off to the world, open up and welcome the winds of change. How to embrace change and benefit from it. Embrace change with gratitude. Every change in your life is a chance. The winds of change can steer you to new, unexpected places where great opportunities await. Start seeing change as a gift. Imagine life opening a new door for you. Remain calm and confident. A samurai never panics in battle. He remains calm because he knows that his mind is his greatest weapon. Similarly, you must maintain confidence in yourself, even when the storm rages around you. Keep your inner peace and you'll find that any difficulty becomes less intimidating. Be ready for action. Change often demands quick decisions. Sometimes it feels like there's no time to think, and that's when it's crucial to be ready to act. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take action when the winds of change rise. It's like a battle. If you stand still for too long, you might miss the opportunity. See opportunities, not obstacles. When something changes, many people only see problems. But the samurai way teaches us that where most see a barrier, the true warrior sees a chance. Every twist of fate is a new path leading to success. Don't be afraid to look for that path. The story of a samurai and the winds of change. There's an old Japanese legend about a samurai who was sent to the far northern lands. Everyone told him he was doomed to fail, that the harsh climate and cold would break his spirit. But instead of complaining about his fate, the samurai began to learn from nature. He studied how the local animals survived, how plants stayed warm. He didn't try to change the world around him. he changed himself, and soon he became the strongest warrior in those lands. Change is the wind. You can either surrender to it or set your sails so that the wind will take you where you want to go. The choice is yours.